Hello children, good morning everybody. So how are you all? So till now we were completing all this grammar part. Okay, so we'll follow up with the essay 2 revisions. Okay children, so we'll start with the unit 5, the king of Mewer. Okay, so essay 2 portions you already know, and also don't forget to read the supplementary also. Okay, so this 4 lessons and 4 poem, and along with that the supplementary reading also. Okay, so you may have this missing letters, match the following, all these things, but then we will see this question answers also. Okay, so we are going to read the gist of the lesson. Okay, so what is that? Which kingdom did Ranajit Singh rule? Ranajit Singh was the ruler of Mewer. He was ruling Mewer. Okay, why was the king so happy? The blowing breeze and the singing birds had made the king happy. How did the king try to control bleeding? The king pressed the wound with his palm and tried to control the bleeding. Why did the old man throw the stone at the tree? The old man pelted the stone at the mango tree because he was tired and hungry. So what lesson did the minister learn? The minister learned that service to mankind is service to God. Okay, so next one is that kindness poem, that is not in our syllabus, it is deleted portions. So we are moving on to the lesson 6, letter to a daughter. Okay, this is a story that Basavaraj, the father, is writing a letter to his daughter Harshini. Okay, so Harshini is a daughter of Basavaraj. So Harshini is staying in the hostel and she is studying. Already the father has written a letter about Punyakoti last time, and this time he is writing about Ekalavya. Okay, so Ekalavya had a great desire to learn archery. So Dronacharya was that time Dronacharya was the great teacher of archery. Okay, then what happened? Dronacharya refused to take him as a student because he was paid only to teach the prince of Hastinapura. Okay, so Ekalavya, what he did, he made a clay model of Dronacharya and made it for his real guru. He prayed and started practicing archery every day. Okay, so what happened? Ekalavya was living in the forest with his parents, but he had a great desire to learn archery. Okay, so what happened after this disappointment? He made that clay model, and one more thing is deep desire. Okay, is deep desire and great concentration, skill. No, soon he became the expert in archery. Okay, so that is the lesson 6, a daughter, letter to a daughter. Next comes the poem Give It Our All. Okay, very important poem. What shouldn't we surrender to? We shouldn't surrender for complaints and fear. What should we do when we are hurt? When we are hurt, we must pick ourselves up and with a great effort, and we should not cry. What should we nurture according to the poet? According to the poet, we should nurture our dreams. What kind of value should we create? We should create a honest values. Okay, which will the when will the challenges or obstacles be minor? When we put in all our efforts and try, no matter the circumstances, the challenges or obstacles will be minor. The next comes the lesson 7, who's the best. Okay, so here the king of from Saudi Arabia. Okay, the king had a beautiful daughter and he decided to give away his kingdom because the king had no sons. So he wanted to test which prince would protect his people. So he had selected three princes, and the three princes were Prince Faris, Prince Anush, and Prince Ishan, and the prince had to bring a gift. That is the test. Okay, so the king asked the prince to bring the best gift for his daughter, and he said that whoever brings the best gift shall marry her. Okay, then Prince Faris brought precious stones like diamonds and rubies for Prince Jasmine. Prince Anush brought a gun to protect themselves from the enemies. But this thing, Prince Ishan didn't bought anything because he was very busy with the other works, like he was helping the nearby village people. The thieves took away their cows and corns, so he were chasing them, and he went and returned back everything. Okay, the next one is ants and the spider. Okay, the ants and the spider poem. In this, ants march on the feed the queen. Spider shoots its web to reach. So workers feed the silent drones. Ants are moving with no sounds, and spider comes to seal the fate. Like the ants collects the food to feed only the queen, and the ants queen is deep below and she is unseen. The spider's web is a silent threat for the fly because it is unseen to the flies. When the flies comes and sits, it is caught in it, and the spider comes and kills it and it eats. Okay, in this another important thing is there. See, write about your favorite creature or like that in third task, like session 1, session 2, session 3 is there, no? Session 2 is all your question answers, meanings, everything. Session 3 is the creative writing. Okay, in that creative writing they may ask, because this is in the book back exercises. Please go through all the book back exercises and the grammar part. Okay, so I like butterflies the most, because it is colorful and it undergoes many difficult process to become a beautiful creature. I am very happy to see and play with the butterflies. Very simple thing you can write. Okay, and the last lesson is know your nations. Okay, know your nations also very important. See here, either the symbols will be asked in fill in the blanks or in the match the following: national animal, national flowers, national emblem, national anthem, and national bird. Okay, so when do we celebrate Independence Day? We celebrate our Independence Day on August 15th. Who were ruling India before 15th August 1947? India were under British rule before 15th August 1947. Where is the national emblem taken from? The national emblem is taken, the lion capital with the chakra is taken from the Sarnath pillar of Ashoka the Great. Okay, this national strength poem, see, first 4 lines is very important. Okay, that is a memory poem. Please read that. Okay, and the another one match the following you have is this colors: saffron, white, green, Ashoka. The meanings of this you should read. Okay, then what makes the nation great and strong? According to the poet, only men can make the nation great and strong. What do the brave men do while others sleep? The brave men will work while others sleep. So all these are important questions. Please go through this lessons. Okay, so that you can get in more marks in part 2. Okay, part 1 will be the same reading comprehensions. Please read the reading comprehension, either it is asked from the book or from the grammar part. Okay, please read that. Maybe it can be 5 marks or it can be 10 marks. 2 reading comprehension or either 1 reading comprehensions. Okay, and finally with the creative writing, description. Okay, describing the picture and adjectives. Okay, and sentence on your own, kinds of sentence, punctuation marks, all these are important. Okay, study well children, all the best.